Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download HappyMod on iOS. Alright, so let's begin with the video first. Open the Settings app and then navigate to the General section. Inside it, access the Background app refresh feature and make sure it is turned on. If it isn't, then tap on the button at the top and select Wi-Fi and cellular. Now that this feature is enabled, close the Settings app and open a preferred browser. Here search for happymod.com and give it a go. After that, you will be redirected to the official website, and all you need to do is tap on the download button, then again tap on download and wait for it to complete. Once it completes, open the Settings app and access General tab again. Inside it, scroll down and select VPN and Management feature. Here you will get a verification profile. Simply allow it and then tap on the Trust button to install it completely. So that's basically how you can download HappyMod on iOS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.